Now I am adding background picture to activity. After creating new activity view, go to code instead of design view. Now select your picture. Sorry, I shouldn't have used drag and drop. Copy the picture, paste into drawable, and press OK. Type the following or copy from my comments below. Change only the source tag src to your picture file name. As I like opacity 10%, so I put alpha 0.1. I can't see the picture, so I adjust to 0.5. Now the picture fit behind and look translucent.